Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make a cool video, and it's of ramping my slash, and I've never done this before, so I'm wanting to see how it does. And for my ramp I just took, household sign, as long as it's thick enough, and we'll take the durability, and just prop it up with a bucket. And right there, if it just falls back down, you just prop it back up. It only takes a few seconds. And I think this is, not that bad considering it's just a sign in a bucket. So I'm going to start at the vehicle. I'm going to start my first run. Prop on my iPad next to this bush over here so I can get a good view. And it's nice and shady over there. And then everything should work really well. Hopefully this works awesome. And also, this is my runway. That was pretty crazy. I don't even know if you could see how far that went. You know, I'll look at the footage and see if you saw everything. So we're looking at the footage, and I think I need a first-person view, so I'm going to put it on the bench, just over there, if you can see it. I don't know if you can. I'm bad at this. I don't know how to control the camera. Anyways, so I'm going to place it there, and then you should get the full view of it gliding through the air. Sometimes you get really disappointed in life when your video doesn't save. So I continued to ramp the slash for about 10 minutes. And, yep. This drive shaft bent when I took a landing. And these are CVDs. Okay. They're fairly expensive, and they're special. You know? You can't really replace them easy because you don't have extra ones on your hands. And a little piece on this snapped. And I can therefore not bend it back. And it's gonna be a pain. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this really just kinda sucks. And that I lost my footage. Such a freaking shame, because it was so good. You should have seen the car running. It was beautiful. And now, well, I blame Apple. Screw you, Apple. Not to worry, I got the drive shaft replaced. I had spares, and this one's even new, so it'll be more durable. But it's still a shame that these ones are total crap. You know, that rock got wedged in there, and it's gonna snap any day now, I bet. Anyways, so I got that replaced. So later on today, I'm gonna bring this thing back to the park. Well, after I remount the CSC because the double-sided tape came off. I'm gonna bring it back to the park and ramp this sucker up again, and it's gonna be a blast. And this time, I'm going to make sure I get the correct footage, so you can see everything, because last time it wasn't that good. So, yeah, get ready for that. fast in the beginning.